Namaskar. This is Basic Concept Classes presenting today's important current affairs. To begin with, international news. Singapore ranked at the top in the Henley Passport Index for 2024 as the holder of the world's most powerful passport, allowing visa-free travel to 195 countries. Following Singapore, the second place is shared by 5 countries: France, Germany, Italy, Japan, and Spain, each granting their citizens visa-free access to 192 countries. The Henley Passport Index is based on data from the International Air Transport Authority (IATA). India's passport got 82 rank alongside Senegal and Tajikistan, offering visa-free access to 58 countries. Last year, the Indian passport was ranked 84th in the world. This year, the Indian passport rank has improved by 2 places to 82nd. India will host the first World Audio Visual Entertainment Summit (WAVES) in Goa from 20th to 24th November this year. Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said India is one of the largest film producing countries in the world. He said WAVES will be the key event to shape future of India's media and entertainment industry. After that, national news. The Ministry of Education and the University Grant Commission (UGC) launched the project Ashmita, augmenting study materials in Indian languages through translation and academic writing, to produce 22,000 books in Indian languages in the next 5 years. It is a collaborative effort of the UGC and the Bharatiya Bhasha Samiti, a high-power committee under the ministry to promote Indian languages in education on the lines of the National Education Policy (NEP) 2020. Maharashtra won the Best Agriculture State Award for 2024. The announcement was made by the 15th Agriculture Leadership Awards Committee, headed by Justice P. Sadashivam, former Chief Justice of India and Governor of Kerala. Now some sports news. Olympic gold medalist Abhinav Bindra has been selected for Olympic Order Award by the International Olympic Committee (IOC) for his outstanding services to the Olympic movement. Bindra has won gold medal in the men's 10-meter air rifle event at the 2008 Beijing Olympic and became first Indian individual to win an Olympic gold medal. The award will be given during the 142 IOC session in Paris on 10th August 2024. The 142nd IOC session is an IOC session that was held in Paris, France from 22 to 24 July and will resume for a single day on 10th August 2024 as part of the 2024 Summer Olympics. The Olympic Order is the highest award presented by IOC. Next, business and economy news. Elon Musk's SpaceX will launch the Polaris Dawn mission, aiming to break space exploration records by sending astronauts by a Falcon 9 rocket from Florida to an orbital altitude of 870 miles away from Earth, surpassing past missions since 1970s. The crew will conduct various experiments, including the first commercial spacewalk to study the effects of space travel on human health. This distance is greater than any crewed space trip since the 1966 Gemini 11 mission and the 1972 Apollo 17 mission. The launch date of Polaris Dawn is scheduled for July 31, 2024. And finally, science and technology news. NASA's Curiosity rover has made a remarkable discovery on Mars by finding rocks composed of pure sulfur in the Geddes Valleys channel. The discovery of these yellow sulfur crystals, alongside other significant findings, helps scientists to explore Mars' ancient environments and geological processes. Previously, Curiosity had detected sulfur on Mars, but only mixed with other minerals like magnesium and calcium. China has unveiled in Qingdao the world's first carbon fiber high-speed train with a top speed of 87 miles per hour. The advanced carbon fiber train is predicted to use 7% less energy than a normal steel train. Thank you for watching. Click on the like button to encourage us. If you feel it is helpful to you, do subscribe now to our channel Basic Concept Classes for more such interesting updates and notification. This YouTube channel is completely free for students. For your better preparation, practice the quiz session followed by news session daily. Practice GK current affairs with Murari sir. Thank you. Let's meet in the next session.